Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm out here with my son, young Carter. We just finished up this 1991 Cadillac Brougham. Customer wanted to go back with the same factory color, just add the silver flakes and the airbrushing. Shout out to my artist Chad, like always. He airbrushed the hood on both sides of the vehicle. Got Detroit's Wish on this side. This represents where the customer's from. Also, the rims were chrome, but from him going out to sea with the car sitting, the rims got pitted up. So instead of buying new rims, we decided to paint them. So we got the orange and the blue on the rims. See the silver flakes in it. Orange and blue 24s. Say Motor City on this side. I got my son, Saeed, also known as Young Carter. You know, he can prime, put down the base coat, get ready to start teaching him how to clear panels. He just turned 13, so trying to get him in the business young. You want to come around here and say something?
It's Young Carter. I'm out here with my dad, giving y'all another car that's been painted and airbrushed. One day, I'm gonna be making YouTube videos and saying what he's saying, but I can't memorize half of what he's saying right now. So I come around, I listen, and I watch, and I try to do stuff that he do to make these videos.
Y'all heard it. He's very hands-on when it comes to being a part of the business. Like I said, 13 years old, priming and putting down the base coat, blocking, wet sanding, taping up. He's got that far already at only 13. So the older he gets, the more he wants to learn. And the older I get, the more I'm willing to teach him so that he can eventually take over. Once again, shout out to my man Chad. Definitely shout out to my body guys as well, because they got a lot to do with getting these vehicles out and also teaching my son the bodywork aspect too. I told him he can't just learn the painting. You gotta learn the whole 9 yards when it comes to this. Been in business 12 years so far. Trying to get another 12 to 20 more. Contact number is 757-713-2277. Or go on Facebook.com/JohnsRestoration2. See all the before and after pictures and videos. I can also be emailed at johnsrestoration@AOL.com. And remember, we're not just a custom shop. We also honor all insurance companies, all insurance claims. And I definitely work with your deductible. Everyone doesn't have $500 or $250 to put out. So give me a call if your vehicle gets vandalized or damaged. Whether it's your fault or not, we'll definitely work through it and get it done. John's Restoration, 757-713-2277.